Go, you trace. Trace. Trace na. Trace na. Go. Go. Come on. Come on. Trace na. Trace the dots. Trace the dots. Okay, go. Ready? Okay, go. Go, Mike's. Wow.
I saw him running back and forward a bunch of times behind a wall. I will take this the wrong way, but I don't know if I want to believe you because you've been very, very wrong in the past multiple times.
Very good, baby. Oops.
They'll say what? Oh, we're not.
Go there. Slowly. Slowly. Good job. Going to the flower. Going to the flower. Here. Very good. Follow the dots. Follow. 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 Very good. Yay. Very good, Mike. Yay. Yay. Mike. Mike. No, do not erase. You'll write it again? You'll write it again?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You know how to erase na? You know already how to erase? Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay, you ready to write na? Trace. Okay, you trace the dot. The dots. Trace the dots. What? Trace the dots. You trace na here. Start here and go there. Okay, go. Go. Okay. Okay, pencil and eraser. Okay, sige na. Go. Go. Okay. Sige na. Sige na, trace na. Oo. No? Ay. Sige na, you trace na. The bees are sad. They're sad because they can't go to the flowers if you will not trace. You trace na pa so they will go to the flowers. They can go. Good. Oh. Oops. 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 Wow. Oops, nilapas. Sige, continue lang. Just continue. Do not erase. Don't erase. It's okay. It's okay. Go. Go.
Mommy, let's share. And we share. And one and three and four and five. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Sige na. Right na. Right na. Ay, lobat na. Very good.
Scientist! Let's go, let's go. I got a sneak peek and the stupid dog! Guys, I got a sneak peek and there are literally hundreds of
Wow. Makontrol na ni mo, oh. Oops. Careful, dili ka ma-out. Okay. Okay. Very good. Yay. So, okay, say bye-bye. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. Say, thank you for watching. Say, thank you for watching. Thank you.
So make sure you guys stick around to the end.
Wala.
You can do it.
Thank you.
It really helps us out. The link to all our socials will be in the description, so make sure you guys go follow us now. Enjoy the